He rose from the street of Corsica to become the Empire of France. A military genius, a political mastermind, and one of history's most controversial figures. This is the incredible story of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte was born on August 15, 1769 in Ajaccio, Corsica. Just 1 year before, the island has been taken by France from Genoa. Though his family was of minor nobility, they weren't wealthy. At the age of 9, Napoleon was sent to Mandland, France to study in military school, where he quickly stood out due to his intelligence and ambition. During the French Revolution, Napoleon seized the moment. At just 24, he became a general by 1799 after a series of brilliant military campaigns in Italy and Egypt. He led a coup d'etat and declared himself first consul of France. Only 5 years later, in 1804, he crowned himself Emperor of the France, signaling a new era of Europe. Napoleon's military strategies are still studied today. He was a master of speed, surprise and innovation. He crushed enemy forces in battle like Austerlitz, Friedland, and Jena, building a vast empire that covered most of continental Europe. But his ambition would eventually lead to his downfall. In 1812, Napoleon made his most disastrous decision, invading Russia. The brutal winter, long supply lines and fierce resistance devastated his army. A series of defeats followed. In 1814, the coalition of European powers captured Paris. Napoleon was forced to abdicate and exiled to the island of Elba. But Napoleon was not done. In 1815, he escaped Elba and returned to France in a legendary march that won him back the supports of his people. For 100 days, he ruled again until he met his final defeat at the Battle of Waterloo. This time he was excited to the remote island of St. Helena in the South Atlantic, where he died in 1821. Napoleon Bonaparte's legacy is complex. He ended feudalism in parts of Europe, spread modern legal codes like the Napoleon Codes, and inspired both admiration and fear. To some, he was a tyrant, to others a hero, but no one denies Napoleon changed the world. From a small island in the Mediterranean to the throne of an empire, Napoleon's journey remains one of the most fascinating in human history. If you enjoy this biography, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic stories from history.